backwards, Mama.
Oh, go the other way, Logan, so you don't hit Kelsie.
Okay, now go. Show Grandpa how fast you can go. Go fast. We'll make a video for Grandpa. Okay, go fast. Okay, go fast.
Oh, go the other way.
Mom,
What?
where's Grandpa?
He's at home. I'm just making a video for him.
He wants to see you go fast.
Yeah.
Show Mama how fast you can go. Go.
Whoa, go fast.
1, 2.
I think it's because he's on the hill.
Going.
Yay!
Okay, go fast. 1, 2, 3, go.
Grandpa.
Oh no, he's gonna shoot me. He's gonna shoot me.
Hey, Kelsie. Oh, no.
Kelsey's over here clapping. Yay, brother!
Grandpa just get hit by an airplane.
Oh
Go
no!
save her. Go fly fast and save her. Go. Well, go that way.
Oh, be careful. Kurt, he's gonna hit her.
Don't hit her. Did you find her? Is she safe?
Yeah,
Yay.
I got her.
Good job, Logan.
Hey, Kelsie, can Kelsie go fast too?
Yes, you can go to my airplane part.
There she goes. That's it.
She wants to go in too.
Oh, she wants to go in the airplane?
Yeah, she wants.
Okay.
Okay, let's put her in.
Right?
She liked it before. Are you gonna push her?
Yeah.
All right, wait till Daddy moves the fire truck.
All right, here we go.
Woohoo!
Bumpers.
Yay!
Kelsie's going. Where's it?
You guys are gonna make me dizzy going around in circles.
She doesn't know how to turn it. Okay, go the other way now.
She doesn't know how to turn
Go
it.
straight.
She has to turn the thing on the inside.
You have to push it like this. Kelsie! Kelsie!
All right. I think I'm gonna stop it.